So good morning, my dear boys and girls. Vanakkam. How are you all? Hope you are doing great. Yes, I welcome back to you all for another wonderful session. Inaki, so நம்ம பார்க்க போறது vectors da. Okay, so one of the easiest chapter. Okay, so vector algebra, one of the easiest chapter and very important chapter as well. Okay, right? Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes. Hope you all are ready for the session. Okay, wow. Hope your preparation is going really great. Okay, so don't worry. We'll try to finish all the chapters. We'll try to cover all the chapters, and also tomorrow we'll try to take 3D geometry, and as well as we'll try to take one more important session for important questions. Okay, important session, important questions. Wow, eppadi irukku nalla iruka? Yes sir. And also yes, everything will be done, don't worry. And also see, so make sure that you are taking one notebook in front of you, or notebook munadi vechittu solve pananum, சரியா? So make sure that you are not like spamming in the chat box. Na munadi da solreda. Okay va? So you have to be stay focused, because இன்னைக்கு என்ன 7th தானா? 7th and 8th ரெண்டால மட்டுக்கு இருக்குடா. So day after tomorrow you have exam. Okay, so we all together are solve panni, will try to get more and more marks. Okay, so are you all ready? If yes, say Chintu fire in the chat box. Chintu fire in chat box la podanu. Ready ya? Yes or no? Chintu fire in chat box la podu. Yes, it will be done. Don't worry. So this will go hardly for 2 hours da. Okay, vectors will be for 2 hours. Okay, within 2 hours we'll try to cover this. If not, it might go beyond 2 hours konjam. Okay, I have tried to, okay, all important type of questions I have tried to take all important type of questions from vectors, most expected one. Okay, so adu mattukku we'll try to solve. After that you can go for your study time. Okay, and as well as you have differential equations today, and application of derivatives as well. Okay, sir will be taking. You understand? Okay, start பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes. Integrals வேணுமா? Okay, we'll try to do that as well. Don't worry. Ready ya? Okay, so first 1 mark question பாத்துக்கலாமா? Very important babu. Okay, please let us get into the show now. Start பண்ணலாம். Okay, start பண்ணிக்கலாம்டா ரே தம்பி. Okay, make it fast. Yes, first question பாரு. The sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are represented by j plus k, 3i minus j plus 4k respectively. Then the length of the median length of median through A on BC. Sir, your question பாரு. The question பாத்தீங்கன்னா, so this is such a beautiful question. I'll tell you. See, இது ஒரு triangle da, very important. Look at the board everyone. இது A sir, இது B sir, இது C sir. There is a median through A. என்ன பண்ணணும்? So there is a median through A. Let's say இது வந்து D da. சரியா? இது வந்து D. Yes or no? Volume இல்லையா? Please increase. Guys, என்னோட voice கேக்குதா? Am I audible to you all? என்னோட voice கேக்குதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Voice கேக்குதா இல்லையா? Can you all hear me? டேய் கரெக்டா இருக்குடா. Okay, so hope you can hear me now. Please increase your volume da. Please increase your volume, please. Okay, right. So இது வந்து AB என்ன சார்? AB வந்து J plus K sir. இது J plus K sir. A வந்து AB J plus K cap, and BC என்ன சார்? AC வந்து 3i cap minus J cap plus 4K cap. Correcta? Yes or no? sir ipo we need to find out length of AD sir, length of AD through, I mean we need to find out this median length through the vertex AD. Okay va, so எனக்கு AD தெரியாது, அப்போ AD எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? So firstly let us apply triangle law of addition. பாரு, AB plus BD is equal to AD or not, tell me, do you agree with my point? So triangle law of addition, by triangle law of addition, by triangle law of addition, by triangle law of addition, can I say AB vector plus BD vector is equal to AD vector? நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? எனக்கு BD தெரியாது, BD தெரியாது, yes or no? Otherwise I can do one thing, AD vector plus BC vector will find out first. எனக்கு BC தெரியாது இல்லையா, BC ல D தான் half, D வந்து half of the BC தான், கரெக்டா? இந்த D வந்து half of the BC, first BC find out பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்போ AB plus BC plus, okay, AB plus BC is equal to what? AC, correct? AB plus BC, AB plus BC is equal to what, sir? AC, correct? Are you all listening the class? Wonderful. So BC தெரியாது, BC என்ன sir? BC is equal to AC vector minus AB vector, இப்படி எழுதலாமா? Do you agree? Yes or no? That's great. அப்போ BC வந்து என்ன sir? AC minus AB sir. அப்போ AC minus AB na 3i minus j plus 4k minus j plus k. Guys இங்க cap போடணும், எப்படி ஓகேவா? cap போடணும் கண்டிப்பா. ஓகே, இது என்ன சார்? 3i cap minus plus 0k cap plus 3k cap. ஓகே, இது வந்து BC வெக்டார் சார். அப்போ BD வெக்டார் என்ன ஆயிடும் சார்? BD வெக்டார் வந்து 3/2i cap plus 3/2j cap, sorry k cap, 3/2k cap. சரியா? BD வந்துருச்சு சார். அப்போ if I apply this, which can we apply this or not, tell me? Okay, can you apply triangle of addition again? AB plus BD is equal to AD vector, correct? அப்போ AD என்ன சார்? AB plus BD, AB தெரியும், BD தெரியும். So BD இது, AB என்ன இது? AB வந்து இது சார், AB வந்து J plus K cap. Okay, right? Yes or no? AD, sorry, AD. Okay, are you all listening in the class? Very good, very good, very good. Congratulations. Very good, very good. D for Durandar is the right answer. Wow, Anna, wow. Everybody is answering correctly. Yes. Right? Appo AD enna sir? AB plus BD. BD enna sir? 3/2, 0, 3/2. Let me take like this in short. Okay, so AD is what? Tell me. 3/2 plus 0, 3/2. I'm taking 3/2. 0 plus 1, 1, and 3/2 plus 1, so 5/2, correct? Yes or no? This purida is 3/2i cap plus j cap plus 5/2 k cap. I'm adding AB plus BD, ரெண்டு பை ஆட் பண்ணா இது என்ன சார்? 1,1, இது 1,1, இது 0, 1,1, சரியா? 3/2 plus 0, 3/2, 0 plus 1, 3/2 plus 1, 5/2. Okay, அப்போ AD ஓட magnitude find out பண்ணனும். length கொடுத்திருக்கு, I mean they are asking us to find out length. length find out பண்ணா 9 plus 25, 34, correct? 34 plus 34/4, which can be written as √34/2 sir. Option D for Durandar, right? Yes or no? Yes. Oh, BC வந்து AC என்ன சார்? What is AC? Yes, AB என்ன? J. அப்போ இது 2J வருமா? Yes. Here check. இது 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. அப்போ இது என்ன சார்? 3/2i cap minus j cap plus 3/2k cap, correct? But answer எப்படியா correct வந்துருச்சு? Okay, AB plus BD வந்து என்ன சார்? Okay, check. BD வந்துருச்சு, எனக்கு AB தெரியும். Yes or no? AB plus BD na 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Yes or no? Minus 1. Yes. Minus 1 plus 1 0. And then 5 by 2. Now it is correct. Yes, yes. Inge 0 or no? Apo correct. Yes or no? Are you all getting the point? Yes, yes, yes. Next question, sir. Next question, buddy. This is also a beautiful question. Look at the board, everyone. This lambda da. This one lambda. Lambda, lambda. Everybody make it fast. Lambda lies between minus 2 and 1. Lambda lies between minus 2 and 1. So, magnitude of A one the 5, sir. And lambda lies between what, sir? Lambda lies between minus 2 and 1. So what I need to find out, sir? Lambda A. So magnitude of lambda A vector in now. So this can be written as magnitude of lambda into magnitude of A. So magnitude of A one 5, sir. 5 magnitude of lambda. Correct? Yes or no? Sir, ipo in the lambda one, everybody look at the board. Lambda one minus 2 to 1. Minus 2, minus 1, 0 is 1. Okay, wow. So we need to take, these are the lambda values. Your magnitude is, sir, magnitude is 2, 1, 0. Magnitude of 1 is 1. Check. So magnitude of lambda minimum value, sir. Minimum is 0, maximum is 2. Minimum is 0, maximum is 2. My lambda lies between minus 2 to 1. Magnitude of lambda 1 0 to 2. Minimum 0, maximum 2. Correct? So 5 times of what? 5 times of 0 to 2. Correct? 0, 10 dana. Purida Ilia. 0, 10. C for Chintu. Any doubt? C for Chintu is the right answer. Purida. Very good, Ra Tambi. Yes or no? Please, 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 please. Don't worry, Rare. Probability is also going to happen, Ra Tambi. Wait. Don't worry. Please solve this. Is it correct? Any doubt, Ra Babu? This is Purida area. C for Chintu is the right answer. Next question, bola. That's great. That's great. Everybody solve this. P and Q be two unit vectors and this one the alpha da. This one the alpha and alpha. This one the alpha. Okay, ba. You can take this as alpha. This is printing mistake. Okay, this is alpha. And alpha be the angle between them. P plus Q B. P plus Q will be a unit vector for what value of alpha? Pare. Guys, very good question. Very good question. Pare. Sir, P and Q be unit vector, sir. Magnitude of P one the 1. Magnitude of Q one the 1. Correct? Yes, sir. Alpha be angle between P and Q. Then P plus Q will be a unit vector for what value of alpha? Appo, this unit vector aagradhukku for magnitude of P plus Q is equal to 1. Enna paranu? See, idu aganu. As per the condition, correct? Lokesh, wait ra babu. Appadina kariyadu, Lokesh. Ippidida varu exam la. These are the 2025 questions. Latest question. Vector chapter da appadi easy ah irukoda. Edume panna mudiyadhu. Neenga solve pananu. Idu solve panni paaru. So tell me here, squaring on both sides. Okay, idu eppadi solve pananu? How do you do this? Tell me. Squaring on both sides panna savaru. So magnitude of P vector square plus magnitude of Q square plus 2 times of magnitude of P Q is equal to 1. Correct? Yes or no? This one 1 plus 1 plus. This is dot product. So dot product ipdi eladama. Cos theta is equal to 1. P dot Q na magnitude of P magnitude of Q into cos theta is equal to 1, sir. இப்போ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது 1 கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். கரெக்ட்டா? 1 cancel ஆயிரும். 1 plus 2 times of magnitude of P is 1, Q is 1, cos theta is equal to 0, sir. அப்போ cos 2 cos theta is equal to minus 1. அப்போ cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. அப்போ theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. That's it. 2 pi by 3 is the answer. Takatak will solve, Babu. We will do all type of questions. There are students who do not know this also. avarkiyum it helpful aganuda in the session. Only it should not be helpful to the students those who are good at subject. This should be helpful for the students those who are kind of not confident of scoring in a basic questions as well. Avarkiyum helpful aganu adukkaga we will take up all type of questions. Correct? Right? Okay sir, next polama. Yes, inga paru. This is very simple sir. Idena sir, a magnitude of a plus b is equal to magnitude of a minus b, directly orthogonal vectors. These are orthogonal vectors. Eppadi sir, eppadi paru. Idena squaring on both sides paru, squaring on both sides. The property magnitude of a plus b whole square is equal to magnitude of a minus b whole square. Idena sir, magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus 2a dot b is equal to. Correct? This cancel. So 4 times of a dot b is equal to 0. Appo enna sir idu? A dot b is equal to 0. A dot b is equal to 0 now what sir? A is perpendicular to b sir. Option D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Any doubt ra thambi? Check. Orthogonal vector enna a vector ku b vector ku nadu angle 90 degrees. Idu a vector, idu b vector, let's say. Rendu vector ku nadu irukka angle 90 degrees. Purida? Yes or no? Yes or no? Any doubts na babu? One now. Next polama. That's great. Guys, you know voice kekda idune disturbance varudha? Disturbance or the background noise na mari idune varudha? Background noise. Is there any background noise? Voice kekda correcta? Yes. Takatak please confirm. Do you get any background noise? Can you all hear me clearly? Ore or nimisham. Correct? Yes. Everything is perfect, right? Please check your internet, Ravi. Okay. Okay. Next. Sir, a student tries to tie a ropes parallel to each other from one end to another end of the wall. Okay. From one end of the wall to another end. Now, if one rope is along the vector this and the other rope is along the vector this, upon the value of a na. This wall irukida. Check. This is a wall babu. Okay. There is a wall like this. This is a wall. You can say like this. This is a wall. Okay. And basically, this is a vector. Okay. Rope along this vector and another vector is this. First vector one is 3i cap 15j cap plus 6k cap. Another one is 2i cap plus 10j cap plus lambda k cap. Okay, these two vectors parallel to each other. Parallel la enna pannanu sir? Parallel la avaroda coefficient see idi by idi. Yes or no? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. 1 nawa. Formula enna sir? Formula. Concept enna? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 sir. Appo 3 by 2 is equal to 15 by 10 is equal to 6 by lambda. Okay, this rendu by equate panni paru. 18 3 lambda is equal to 12 sir. Appo lambda value 4. So lambda is equal to 4. A for Agra is the right answer. Ready? Next polama. Next polama. Yes or no? Yes. This is a beautiful question. This is a beautiful question. Let me see how many of you are going to do this. Ready? Let me see how many of you are going to do this. Tell me. Okay, Sriram. Wish you good luck and happy birthday to you. B. Arey, B for Bombay Bazaar, B for Bombay, B for Balle Balle is the wrong answer. This wrong answer. எனக்கு தெரியும்டா நீங்க see projection வந்துருச்சுனா a dot b by magnitude of b. Wrong ratio into question பாரு. The projection vector of vector a on a projection vector of vector a on b vector. He is asking projection vector, not projection. புரியுதா? என்ன சார் மீனிங்? இங்க பாரு, இது என்ன சார்? இது a vector. ஓகேவா? ஓகே 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 சாரி. projection of a vector on b vector. அப்ப இது b vector. projection என்ன சார்? shadow. ஓகேவா? so இவரோட projection on b vector, இவரோட projection on b vector அப்ப என்ன சார்? yes projection, yes d for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Those who are giving d answer, that is right wrong. ஓகேவா? those who are giving d answer அதுதான் right. a wrong, sorry b வந்து wrong. see if I say, listen, projection of, இங்க பாரு guys look at the board. projection of a on b, projection of a on b na a dot b by magnitude of b. இது correct, இது correct, இது correct, இது correct தான். ஓகேவா? பட் क्वेश्चन பாரு, இது projection, just projection மட்டுக்கு. பட் क्वेश्चन பாரு, projection vector of vector a on b vector. he is asking projection vector. because சும்மா projection வேணும்னா a dot b by magnitude of b dot. projection of a on b வேணும்னா இது. பட் இப்போ projection of vector, I mean projection vector of a on b வேணும்னா, see a on b வேணும்னா you just சும்மா என்ன மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும்? இவரோட யூனிட் வெக்டார் கிட்ட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். அவ்வளவுதான், முடிஞ்சு. ஓகேவா? b கேப். இதுதான் ஆன்சர். ஓகேவா? இதுதான் ஆன்சர். projection vector of a on b வேணும்னா multiply the scalar with the unit vector of b. yes or no guys? you guys were saying easy question sir. அரே பாபு, இது easy question தான். பட் நிறைய ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் wrong பண்றாங்க இந்த மாதிரி क्वेश्चन. okay, they are making mistake here, they are committing a mistake இந்த மாதிரி question. so I know that everybody will give b answer, but that தப்பு ராச் into தப்பு. yes or no? d for Delhi Baba is the right answer. பாரு, இது b cap. புரியுதா? yes or no? see இதுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் பாரு. இங்க projection of a on b னா இது, projection vector of a on b னா b cap கிட்ட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். புரியுதா? a dot b by projection vector வேணும்னா வெக்டார் கிரியேட் பண்றதுக்கு இப்படி தான் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா? any doubt? yes or no? tell me now. இது சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி பாரு. a dot b by magnitude of b. okay, அப்போ b cap னா என்ன சார்? b vector by magnitude of b or not? b cap na unit vector formula என்ன? and the vector by அவரோட magnitude. so அப்ப என்ன வரும் சார்? a dot b into b vector divided by magnitude of b square then apane. that is what they have given. புரியுதா? any doubts? okay, now same story, look at the board everyone. now if I ask you to find the projection vector, find the projection vector of b on a. இது சொல்லணும். projection vector of b on a னா சொல்லு. projection of b on a னா projection vector of b on a னா என்ன? sir we know that. answer பாரு. answer என்ன sir? answer என்ன? b dot a by magnitude of a. correct. but projection vector இது scalar. பாரு, இது என்னடா? scalar. இது வந்து scalar. they are asking vector. அப்போ vector வேணும்னா a cap கிட்ட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். this is the answer. yes or no? இது scalar into vector மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா vector வரும். yes or no டா? yes or no? இது சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? b dot a by magnitude of a into a cap na a vector divided by magnitude of a. இது சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? b dot a by magnitude of a square. இதுதான் ஆன்சர். any doubts? how is the question guys? நல்லா இருக்கா? கான்செப்ட் புரியுதா? ஒரு வெக்டார் வேணும்னா அந்த ஸ்கேலார் மல்டிப்ளை வித் தி யூனிட் வெக்டார். பாரு, ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் இங்க பாரு, புரியுதா இல்லையா? எனக்கு சும்மா ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் வேணும்னா projection of a on b projection of A on B வேணும்னா சும்மா இந்த ஃபார்முலா கரெக்ட். projection vector வேணும்னா A on B னா இந்த ஃபார்முலா as it is into B cap, very important, into B cap, very very important. இது சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணா இது வரும் சார். கரெக்ட்டா? yes or no? yes or no? very good. okay, next question. next question பாரு. simple. now பாரு, let A be a position vector whose tip is the point this. AB வந்து இது, AB is equal to this, AB is equal to A vector whose coordinates of A are this, then the coordinates of B are takatak fatapat find out பண்ணனும். let me see how many of you going to do this. கமலா எங்க கிராஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ண கூடாது, கிராஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் வரல, கிராஸ் ப்ராடக்ட்ல இல்ல கமலா. போலாமா? நெக்ஸ்ட் சார், பொசிஷன் வெக்டர்ல என்ன சார்? what is the position vector sir? இங்க பாரு, let's say for example இது position vector of some point, this is position vector, okay வா? let's say இது A vector, okay, அது என்ன சார்? 2, -3 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க சார். position A be a position vector whose tip என்ன? tip na இது கரெக்ட்டா? tip is the point 2, -3 கரெக்ட்டா? tip na edge, tail, okay வா? edge 2, -3. if AB is equal to A given, AB vector na என்ன சார்? A vector, okay, புரியுதா? அப்போ A vector என்ன சார்? A vector என்ன சார்? A vector என்ன? 2i cap minus 3j cap கரெக்ட்டா? 2i cap minus 3j cap தானா? very good sir. அப்போ பாரு, A வந்து position vector of A given as -4, 5, position vector of B தெரியாது, let's say alpha, beta, let us take B is equal to alpha, beta, okay, the B let us take alpha, beta, yes or no? yes sir. இப்போ AB vector என்ன சார்? AB vector என்ன சார்? what is AB vector? சொல்லணும், make it fast. AB vector என்ன? alpha plus 4 I cap plus beta minus 5 j cap. so AB vector என்ன here? this AB vector is equal to what? 2i cap minus 3j cap. equate பண்ணி பாரு, ரெண்டு vectors are equal da, two vectors are equal. எப்போ? their components, I component should be equal to I component and j component should be equal to j component. alpha வந்து -2, beta வந்து 2, -2, 2. B for balle balle, B for balle balle. any doubts? B for bathroom ah, அரே மணிகண்டன் பாபா, மணிகண்டன் ராஜா, என்னடா தம்பி? okay, right. yes or no? tell me any doubts? any doubts? yes or no? it is not first quadrant babu. for making you understand I drawn chuma like this, please understand. ready ah? next polama, இது rough diagram, இது rough diagram மட்டும் okay வா? so don't ask this why first quadrant, rough diagram chuma, okay வா? yes or no? yes or no? வா அண்ணா வா. next இங்க பாரு, next இந்த question பாரு. see this kind of questions வந்து will come from the vectors. இந்த மாதிரி question தான் vectors ல வந்து வரும்டா. இந்த மாதிரி question தான். the respective values of magnitude of A, magnitude of B, if this is equal to this, then is என்ன? அரே simple டா பாபு. இது என்னடா? இது formula, direct formula. இது வந்து direct formula 512. magnitude of A என்ன சார்? the 9 magnitude of B square minus magnitude of B square is equal to 512 sir. guys இது வந்து நீங்க போடணும்டா. magnitude of A வந்து 3 magnitude of B, இந்த magnitude of A வந்து இங்க போடணும். இது formula என்ன? A dot B, I mean A minus B dot A plus B na இந்த formula. okay, அப்போ என்ன சார்? 8 times of magnitude of B whole square is equal to 512. okay, 8 ones 8 64. so magnitude of B வந்து 8 sir. magnitude of B na magnitude of A என்ன சார்? 3 into 8. okay, magnitude of A வந்து 24. Chintu question Bari 24,8. A for Ahmedabad. Yes or no? I am watching from school. Okesh. Watching from school. Okay, Okesh. Yes or no? Nalarka question hai. Next question polama. Next question ki polama. Are you all excited? Yes. Babu, next question polama. Yes sir. A for Ayya. Amma. Ayya, Appa. Okay. Yes. A vector bandidi, B vector bandidi. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Magnitude of B? No. A magnitude of A? No. A perpendicular B? 3, 2, 2. Yes. Check. Yes or no? A is perpendicular to B because A dot B is equal to 0. Here, A dot B is equal to 0. 3 minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1. So it's 0, sir. 0 na? 0 na? A is perpendicular to B. Correct or not, Babu? Tell me. C for Chintu, right answer. This is A parallel to B na? A parallel to B na? A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. But if it is 3 by 1, 2 by minus 1 minus. Sir. D varadu sir. C that correct sir. Any doubt sir? Yes or no? Next polama. We will try to see many questions la. Next. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Beautiful question. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Magnitude of A, this is magnitude of B. This is magnitude of C. Angle between B and C. Guys, angle between B and C na eppadi sir? Angle between B and C na eppadi sir? Angle between B and C na inga paru. Eppadi pannu theriyuma? First B and C na A as it is alenu. B and C inga shift pannanu. B and C inga shift pannadu ippadi. B and C inga shift pannada. B and C inga shift pannanu right hand side. Purida? Any doubts? Yes, OMS Varuna. Okay. Yes or no? Apo squaring on both sides panna savaru. Taking magnitude. Correct? Purida idi. So magnitude of A square. Magnitude of A square is equal to magnitude of B square plus magnitude of C square plus 2 times of magnitude of B. B dot C. Correct? Yes or no? Tambi? Purida? Right? This B dot C can be written as what again? Magnitude of B, magnitude of C, cos theta. Correct or Tambi? This Purida. Wonderful, sir. So magnitude of A square 37. Magnitude of B square 9. Idana 16. Idana 3. Idana 4. This is cos theta. Idana sir 25. This is 12. Idana 25 sir. 12 is equal to 24 cos theta. Okay, 12 is equal to 24 cos theta na 1 by 2 is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. So theta is equal to pi by 3. C for Chintu is the right answer. Correct? C for Chintu is the right answer. B varadu tambi. B varadu. Wrong answer B. C the right answer. C for Chintu. Yes or no? Correct? Nalla question hai. Guys, angle between B and C. Angle between B and C na in the B and C right hand shift pannanu. For example, angle between A and B na enna sa pannanu? Angle between A and B na question. Everybody, I am changing the question. Angle between A and B na in the A and B one side, C mattu right side. Correct? Angle between, look, I am writing here for angle between A and B na, what we need to do here? A plus B is equal to magnitude of C. Purida. Correct India? Yes or no? Yes. Geeta Sundaran. Definite. Sir, where did this minus go? Sir, wait, are minus the magnitude of minus enada? Plus dana? Magnitude we are taking da? Yes or no? Yes sir, simple. Next, which of the following option is always correct? Which of the following is always correct? Which of the following option, which of the following statement is always correct? A dot b will be always lesser than or equal to magnitude of a magnitude of beta. Okay va? Unakku example very you can take an example da. You can take any example. Verify with example. Verify with example. Okay, this is a property da, direct property da tambi. A for Ahmedabad. Yes or no? It is not correct எப்போமே. இது கிடையாது. lesser than வராது. lesser than or equal to தான் correct. இதுதான் correct. இது wrong. அப்போ இது எப்போமே correct. always correct ஆகாது. இதையும் ஆகாது. check. Yes or no? Yes or no? Absolutely. Next போலாமா? அரே சோர்னா class up to இப்போ 12:43 ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. So 1 more hour I think. 1:40 maximum till 2 o'clock we will take. 1 hour. Next. This unit vector perpendicular to both. Guys, a unit, guys, this is very famous now. Famous question. Okay, guys, unit vector perpendicular to both this and this. Guys, let's say for example, let me say this as A vector. Let's say this is B vector. Guys, இங்க பாரு, இது ஒரு vector, A vector. இது B vector. Okay, இந்த A vector க்கு B vector க்கு perpendicular னா இதுதான் A cross B. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? A cross B will be perpendicular to this, at the same time perpendicular to this. புரியுதா? இந்த A cross B will be perpendicular to both A and B. அப்போ A cross B கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இது A sir. A cross B will be the perpendicular to this two vector I J K. A cross B எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? 1 0 1 1 0 minus 1 கரெக்ட்டா தம்பி? Yes or no? சொல்லு. I னா இது 0 minus A cap minus 1 plus K cap na 0. இது வந்து 2J cap. Okay, A cross B is a 2J cap. He is asking unit vector. Unit vector கேட்டாங்க. Unit vector na A cross B, sorry, A cross B ஓட unit vector. Unit vector வேணும்னா 2J cap, I mean 2J vector divided by our magnitude. Correcta? This cancel आयரும் sir. J cap. Option C for Chintu is the right answer. Read out. C for Chintu is the right answer. Make it fast. Takat போடணும்டா. These are basic questions டா. டைம் ஜாஸ்தி எடுக்க கூடாதுடா. டப்பு பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ணணும்டா. சரியா? தம்பி ஜாஸ்தி டைம் எடுக்க கூடாதுடா. டக்காட்டக் ஃபட்டாஃபட். தெரியுமா இந்த டயலாக்? டக்காட்டக் ஃபட்டாஃபட். டக்காட்டக் வரணும் ஆன்சர். Yes or no? Okay va? It is kind of revision. Yes, you can get William, you can get 85, don't worry. Yes or no? அப்படி வராதுடா. I am who I am. அப்படி வராது. What is your name? இதுதான் ரைட் ஆன்சர். இது கரெக்ட்டா? Okay. Yes or no? Guys, A cross B will be both perpendicular to A vector and B vector. தெரியுமா கிராஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் டெஃபினேஷன்? இது கிராஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் டெஃபினேஷன் என்ன? n cap தான இது. n cap என்ன? n cap is what? A cross B. n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these two fellows. அப்போ A vector க்கு B vector க்கு perpendicular vector வேணும்னா A cross B தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் எப்பவுமே. This is the concept. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா பாபு? A cross B is the perpendicular to both A and B. அவரோட யூனிட் வெக்டர் A cross B வந்துருச்சு சார். இதோட யூனிட் வெக்டர் என்ன? Z. இவரோட யூனிட் வெக்டர் என்ன? இது இந்த வெக்டர் தான் இவரோட மேக்னிட்யூட். இவரோட மேக்னிட்யூட் என்ன சார்? மேக்னிட்யூட் ஆஃப் 2J cap என்ன? 2 தான். 2 கேன்சல் ஆச்சு. J cap வந்துருச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் இங்க பாரு. This kind of question they are asking டா. எல்லாமே பாரு. A vector, B vector, C vector represents what? What type of triangle? What type of triangle it is? First magnitude of A kandipidikenu. So what is that, sir? 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is root 6, sir. Magnitude of B and sir, 1 plus 9 plus 25, sir, which is root 35, sir. One now, Babu, hello, 9 plus 16 plus 16, 32, 41. It's right angle triangle, sir. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Epdi, sir. Babu, look at the border, Babu. This is root 41, sir. This is root 6, sir. You can say this is root 35, sir. Check. Third side will be equal to sum of the other two sides. Check. சொல்லு கரெக்டா? இது வந்து ரொம்ப பேசிக்டா. நெக்ஸ்ட் போலாமா கைஸ்? ஏன் சார் நீங்க ஈஸி क्वेश्चन சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? அரே பாபு, ஐ அம் மேக்கிங் யூ ரியலைஸ் தட் ஓகே இந்த மாதிரி क्वेश्चन கேட்றாங்கடா, சோ நீங்க கத்துக்கணும்டா. யாருக்கு தெரியலன்னு இந்த மாதிரி see if anybody don't know this கண்டிப்பா you should realize that இந்த மாதிரி क्वेश्चन also they are asking. இது வந்து basic question. This is good question. Let me do or you will do? Yes, make it fast. Takatak சொல்லணும். எப்படி சார் சால்வ் பண்றது? A be a vector such that A vector, the value of this is, sir, let us take A vector is what? Xi cap, Yj cap, Zk cap. I am teaching you proper method. Okay. அப்போ A cross I na என்ன sir? A cross I na என்ன? I J K. A என்ன? X Y Z. I na 1 0 0. Okay. I am opening along with the row 3. Open பண்ணா 1 into J cap Z minus Y K cap. Correct? Next one, the 0 into something. 0 into something. Okay. This is the, I am opening along with row 3. Opening this determinant along with row 3. Correct? Yes or no? This is A cross I, sir. Appo A cross J venuna. I cap, J cap, K cap, X, Y, Z. It is 0 1 0 along with the opening along with the row 3, determinant opening with row 3. Sorry, opening with row 3. So tell me, 0 into something 0, minus 1 into what? Minus 1 into I cap Z minus X K cap. Next one, the 0 into something. So is that, sir? So A cross J will be Zi cap minus Zi cap plus X K cap. Correct? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Next one, A K cap. Eppadi, sir? I J K. This is X Y Z. Purida. K na 0 0 1. Opening with row 3. 0 into something minus 0 into something plus 1 into what? 1 into what? So Y I cap minus X Z cap. Any doubts? Okay. So your magnitude, find out what is the magnitude of this dot? Magnitude of is that, sir? What is the magnitude of this, sir? So make it fast. What is the magnitude of this dot? X square, I mean Z square plus Y square, correct? Z square plus Y square. You are the magnitude, sir? Z square plus X square. You are the magnitude, sir? Magnitude of A cross K, which is Y square plus X square, correct? Yes or no? Make it fast. Okay. Appo idu enna sir venu? Sorry. This is equal to what? a square, which means z square plus y square. Okay, plus idana sir z square plus x square, idana sir y square plus x square, idana sir 2 times of x square plus y square plus z square, which is 2 times of magnitude of a square. 2 times of magnitude of a square, which is 2 times of a square and magnitude of a square. Yes or no? What is magnitude of a? Pardon? Magnitude of a is what, sir? X square plus y square plus z square. Yes or no? About magnitude 2a square na sir, which is 2 times of a square. Magnitude of a வந்து a, magnitude of a வந்து a, magnitude of a place la a போட்டா 2a square. C for Chintu wala right answer. Any doubt? 010 வா, எங்க 010? அதே பாபு இங்க பாரு 010 எப்படி? அதே தம்பி இது காமனா ijk காம்போனன்ட்ஸ் எழுதணும். இங்க பாரு a ஓட காம்போனன்ட்ஸ் என்ன? x y z. a வெக்டாரோட ijk காம்போனன்ட்ஸ் என்ன? x y z தானா? அப்போ j னா இங்க j மட்டும் இருக்கு. j னா i இல்ல k இல்ல. அதுக்காக i காம்போனன்ட் 0, k காம்போனன்ட் 0, j காம்போனன்ட் மட்டும் 1. அதுக்காக 010. Hope you understood. Okay வா? போலாமா next? Next question போலாமா? சார் பயமா இருக்கு சார் looking at these questions. என்ன இருக்குடா? வெக்டர் ஆல்ஜிப்ரா வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியான சாப்டர்டா. Maulish birthday, please wish him. Okay, Maulish, wish you many more happy returns of the day. My friend Raja birthday. Okay, Raja also happy birthday. Anyway, make it fast. Next question polama. Any doubts? Vena Murali. Murali Vena. Murali Vena. MCQ ku anyway you do it your wish, but subjective la ipdi solve pannu. If it is a subjective question ipdi da paranu, right? Next. If theta be the angle between two unit vectors a and b such that sin theta is this, then magnitude of a unit a vector dot unit b vector ena. Make it fast. Yes or no? These are two vectors. See, a dot a cap dot b cap. Okay, appo idana sir magnitude of a cap, magnitude of b cap to cos theta. Okay, so what is this? So to make it fast. இதென்ன? இது 1 cos theta, sin theta is this. What is cos theta, sir? Square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus 9 by 25, which is plus or minus 4 by 5. Plus or minus 4 by 5. So any doubts? Delhi Baba is the right answer. Make it fast, quick. Make it fast, quick. Next polama. Chalo next. Are you all ready? Excuse me, guys. Okay, next. Next. இது பாரு. With the terminal point and initial point. A vector with the terminal point, initial point என்ன? Vector with the terminal point, initial point. Taka சொல்லணும், make it fast. Quick. Yes or no? This term initial point is sir B. Terminal point from the A. Okay. What is vector B now? What is vector? C for Chintu. Yes. C for Chintu. Yes. Next polama. Great. C for Chintu is the right answer because see B a vector in the A minus B. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 2. So B is C is answer. Next. Check. These two vectors are what? Either are A and B are what? A and B, what kind of vectors they are? Again, this is homework to you all. This homework, we did this kind of question. Everybody do this. You do this. This one also homework, we did this. In the money, guys, in the concept of the this type of question also we did. This is homework. Everybody do this. Everybody do this. Arey Babu, who is that fellow? Arey, ipdi vandiruchina. Ipdi vandiruchina eppadi sir panano? We need to write this as A vector plus B vector dot A vector plus B vector. Correct? Yes or no? So, this is the magnitude of A square plus A dot B plus B dot A plus magnitude of B square. Yes or no? Somebody is asking, sir, when to use this? For it. This is B square plus 2 times of A dot B. 2 times of A dot B. Inga thiruppi A dot B formula apply pannanuga. Inga thiruppi A dot B apply pannanu. So A square plus magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 times of magnitude of A magnitude of B cos theta. Correct? You, sir, can you please move forward? I can't see the board. That's what I'm just going away. Okay. Next polama. Ipdi use pannanu. Somebody were asking this. Okay, please check. Okay, sir, the position vectors. Good question. This is good question. The position vector of P and Q, which is small p, the R divides the line segment is the ratio. Okay. This is Q points. Your position vector on the small q. The point R divides line segment is the ratio R divides. Is it point R divides the line segment is the ratio what? 3:1. 3:1. Okay. This divides what basically 3:1. S is the midpoint of this. S is the midpoint. S is the midpoint. Let's say small s. Okay. Even the small a. Even the position vector. Let's say small r. Can we use what is r vector? Tell me what is r vector here. Internal division. 3q plus P vector divided by 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Now this is R vector da. Internal division formula apply parano, sectional formula. Okay. So since S vector is the midpoint of PR. So what should I write? That will mean midpoint of what? P plus this. P vector plus 3Q vector plus P vector by 4 divided by 2. Correct? Yes or no? So this can be written as what? 5P vector plus 3Q vector divided by 8. This is answer. Any doubts? 𝒔𝒄𝒄𝒊𝒕𝒚. What is your name, Rao? Please keep your name proper name. 𝒔𝒄𝒄𝒊𝒕𝒚. Is that your name? Atto's channel. I can't even pronounce it. It's kind of taking time. Anyway, next. Polama, correct? This is option B for Bombay is the right answer. Yes or no? Can't understand. They can't understand. Look at the board. See, in the R vector theriyadu. R vector now enna? This R vector dividing PQ in 3:1 ratio. Appo R vector eppadi kandipidikanu? This into this, this into this. Sectional formula. I am using sectional formula. Sectional formula. See, sectional formula enna sir? Basically, this P vector, this Q vector, this R vector. This M:n ratio. Appo R vector verena formula enna sir? M Q plus N P vector divided by M plus N. This is the formula concept paru. Puridara Chinto, this is the concept I have used here. Internal division formula. Yes or no? Yes, internal division. Next assertion reasoning question. Assertion reasoning. Okay. This one easy. This is equal to this. B is this. A is this. Tell me. Reason correct. Reason is correct. Assertion paathikalama. Guys, reason one direct standard formula da. Okay. Assertion one magnitude of A cross B whole square plus magnitude of A dot B whole square is equal to what? Magnitude of A cross B enna paranu? Magnitude of A cross B enna paranu? Make it fast. People are spamming in the chat box. Tambi, purida question hai. Formula, array, standard formula apply panda. Idena sir? This standard formula apply panna. A magnitude of A square sin square theta. Magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square cos square theta is equal to 256. Okay, wow. So magnitude of A square is sir. Magnitude of A square common. Okay, idana 1. Magnitude of A square na 4. B na 64 into 1. 64 into 4. 256. Yes, it is true. Assertion is also correct. And assertion reason both are correct. This is B is the right answer. Both assertion reason true and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Check. Yes or no? Reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Correct? Guys, in the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Purida. Lagrange's identity. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Assertion and sir. For two non-zero vectors, this is true. A dot B will be equal to B dot A. Dot product FO by commutative. Correct? So assertion is correct. Assertion is correct. Okay, for two non-zero vectors A cross B is equal to no chance. A reason is wrong. So assertion is true. D for Delhi is our right answer. Yes or no? Tell me any doubt? How to get rid of math? How to get rid of math? You can't get rid of math. Even you go for engineering, math will be there. Okay, first 2 years math kandipa irukum. You can't get rid of the math. Math is life. Okay. Next. Projection of A and B is same as projection of B and A. Eppadi da chance. Projection of A and B is equal to B and A. Eppadi? Is wrong. Projection of angle between A and B is same as angle. Yes. Numerically correct only. Yes or no? A is false. B is true. A is false. B is true. Yes or no? I mean, assertion is false. Reason is true. Correct? Yes or no? This is simple draw tambi. Projection of A and B as same as B and A. Wrong. Projection projects will be scalar. Okay. Lengths will be different. Nigga check. Check pannuko. Okay va. Next. This one we already did. This is homework to you all. It already podichida. Homework. Okay. இப்போ 2 marks start பண்ணலாம் 2 marks start பண்ணலாமா 2 marks start பண்ணிக்கலாமா yes sir next பாரு first question என்ன sir what's the first question A and B are position vectors of point A point B respectively find the position vector of point C on BA produce that BC is equal to 3BA. Array BC vector is equal to 3 times of BA da. Okay, so AB is a position vector. What is this da? This one the C minus B is the C minus B vector. This one sir A minus B vector. How do you write B vector? How do you write BC vector da? Position of C minus position of B. So the C vector minus B vector is equal to 3A vector minus 3B vector. Correct? We need to find out position vector of C. C vector is 3A vector minus 2B vector. This is the answer. This is the right answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Next polama. Yes. This is one simple question. This is homework. This is good question, Dane. This is good question. Important, good question. Board point of view, good question. Okay, board point of view is very good question. Fast up, sir. Fast up, yes. Is sir. What is this A, B, C? 3 vectors such that A dot B is equal to A dot C, sir. Okay, and A cross B is equal to A cross C. Wow. Okay, what else he has given? A cross B is equal to A cross C. Tell me, A dot B is equal to A dot C na eppadi saparano? A dot B na A dot B is equal to A dot C na enna parano? Guys, can we shift this side? Check. A dot B minus A dot C is equal to 0. Appo A dot common edukalama. So B minus C, correct ID? B minus C is equal to 0. Check. So A dot B minus C is nothing but what? A dot B minus C is nothing but what? Dot product. So A can be perpendicular to B minus C vector. Yes or no? Or what can I write? Or B can be equal to C. Either possibility, correct? Tell me guys. Yes or no? A dot B is equal to A dot C vector. இது கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So now tell me here, I am shifting this A dot C to the left side. அப்போ இப்படி வந்துருச்சு. இப்போ A dot B equal to 0 என்னன்னா dot product of two vectors can be equal to 0 whenever இந்த vector is perpendicular to இந்த vector. பாரு, இந்த vector is perpendicular to this vector. Or this can be 0 when if B is equal to C போட்டு பாரு, B vector C vector ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல் ஆயிடுச்சுனா 0 தான் இருக்கும். இது or is the possibility. Okay, now இந்த question பாரு, இந்த கேஸ் பாரு, இந்த கேஸ் பாரு, இந்த கேஸ் A cross B is equal to A cross C. அப்போ பாரு A cross B minus A cross C. இங்க பாரு, இப்போ A cross B minus C போலாமா? B check, இது கரெக்ட்டா? A cross B நம்ம ரெண்டு வெக்டரோட கிராஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா this could be A parallel to B minus C or B is equal to C இருக்கலாம். Yes or no? Tell me. If cross product of two vectors 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா எப்போ ஆயிரும்டா? When cross product of two vectors is 0, when two vectors are parallel to each other. So either vector parallel to the vector, or you can say B is equal to C vector. So B is equal to C vector 0 ஆயிரும். கரெக்ட்டா? Check. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now tell me sir, B is equal to C. Okay, but how can check A perpendicular to B minus C, A parallel to B minus C? How can a vector parallel to another vector at same time and perpendicular? நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? A vector perpendicular to the vector, A vector parallel to the vector. How can a vector parallel to some vector at the same time perpendicular to another vector? ஒரு vector parallel and perpendicular, it cannot be possible. Are you getting the point? It is not possible. A vector cannot be parallel and perpendicular at the same time. Vector cannot be perpendicular and parallel at the same time. Adukkaga this is what basically, so this is not possible. Idu mudiyadu. This is not possible. Okay, appo answer enna? Check. B is equal to C is correct. B is equal to C is correct. Hence proved. Yes or no? Result enna? Since A cannot be parallel and perpendicular to B minus C at a time, so B is equal to C. Hence proved. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Correct? Yes or no? Solano, make it fast. It cannot be perpendicular and parallel at the same time. Adukkaga B is equal to C. Next. Idu paru. Guys, good question tare thambi. Indha mari question JEE also will come tare. Idu paru. The diagonals of a parallelogram given by this. Find the area of the parallelogram. Guys, check area of the parallelogram and diagonals are given. Check, இது வந்து diagonal, இது D1, இது வந்து D2. What is the area? Area of the parallelogram when diagonal is given half into D1 vector cross D2 vector. Correct? Yes or no? D1 cross and a D2. This is D1 basically. This is not D1. This is not D2. They have mentioned it as A1. They mentioned it as A1. Okay, let us write A1, A2. Look. Appo idena sir. This A vector. Appo this B vector. Appo A cross B vector. Correct? So A cross B nena sir. IJK. 2 minus 1 1. 1 3 minus 1. So this put pare. Next, quick. Magnitude of this, what is the magnitude? I. 1 minus 3 minus j cap minus j cap minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus k cap nena sir. 6 plus 1 புரியுதா minus 2i cap minus minus plus 3j cap plus 7k cap area of the parallelogram and half into magnitude is what now? What is the magnitude? Check. What is the magnitude of this? 4 plus 9 plus 49. Okay, 53, 62, 72, 13, 62. This is answer. Any doubt? Yes or no? Root 62 by 2. Yes or no? This is answer. Next question, Polama. Can you all see the board? Any doubts? Yes. Ama. What is your name in Tamil? Tamil you wrote. If they ask diagonal, we need to multiply. Yes, avalaga. Okay. Whenever they give diagonal in the formula, apply for it. Whenever they apply diagonal in the formula d1 cross d2, they are representing d1 and d2 with what? A and b. So they cover the formula. Correct? Any doubts? Next polama. Okay, guys. Now, area of the parallelogram. Sir, area of the parallelogram and sides given. This A, this B, this C, this D. Let's say. Okay. Now, area of the parallelogram is now. Area of the parallelogram is what? AB cross AD with magnitude. This is the area of the parallelogram. If the area of the diagonal is given, diagonal is given, and then asking you to find out what? The D1 sir, the D2 sir. Apo area of the parallelogram is sir half D1 cross D2. Okay, wow. Bro, diagonal now half varum bro. Ama bro. Yes or no? Yes. Next. This is a good question. Two friends while flying kites from different locations find the strings of their kites crossing each other. The strings can be represented by A, B, C. Okay, A, B da. Determine the angle formed between the kites. Arey simple ra babu. Simple. Language on the different. Same. Angle between A dot B da. A dot B angle. See. Angle between A and B na sir. Cos theta formula apply pannu. Cos theta is equal to A dot B by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. This put A dot B na sir. A dot B na sir. 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2. 3 into 2, 6 minus 2 plus 8 divided by magnitude of A. 9 plus 1 plus 4. 4 plus 16. So, sir, 4. 12 divided by root 14, root 32. So, 12 divided by root 14, root 32 means 4 root 2. Correct? Any doubts? Any doubts? Yes or no? 4, 3. So 3 by root 28 I am getting. 3 by root 28 I am getting. Oh, sorry, here 24 is it. Is it 24 now? Is it 24? Is it 24 now? Is it 24 now, sir? 2 root 6. Yes or no? 2 root 6 now basically. Yes or no? 24 is 20, 24. 14. Yes or no? Yes. 24 na enna sir 2 root 6, so 12 divided by this 14 means what? 14, let me write as it is, into 2 root 6. 2 root 6 what is our room? 84, or else you can even do like this, or else you can leave like this also correct, but if you want to simplify also you can simplify, no problem. 12 divided by root 14 can be written as what? Root 2 into root 7. This can be written as what? Root 4 into 6 means root 2 root 6. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? 2 root 6 where again you can write this. 2 ones 2 6. Correct? Again tell me. 6 by root 12. 6 by root 12. Root 12 where again you can just simplify this. 6 by root 84. Yes, this should be the answer. 84, if you want to break, you can break it, no problem. Yes or no? Tell me any doubts? Any doubts? Guys, what we have given, listen to the class. Look, two friends are flying kites from different locations now, okay? Different locations they are, okay? Like this. This guy is flying kite from this place. This guy is flying kite from this place. Okay. The strings, their kites crossing each other like this. Angle between these two is what? Okay. This is A vector, this is B vector. Okay. This is theta. Cos theta formula vandu idi. Purida? Yes or no, tell me? Yes or no, tell me guys? Any doubts? Enna root purillada, enna what is there? Hey, see, இது 12 denominator na root 14 into root 24. இது ரெண்டுமே multiply பண்ணி பாரு. இது 336 336. புரியுதா? Sir, you can write 14 as root 2 into root 7, root 24 as 2 root 16, 2 root 6. Okay? You can, if you want to simplify, you can simplify this as well. Yes. Inne simplify panniva. Yes. 6 by 14 into root 6. This is when you simplify panna paare. Root 6 cancel. So root 6 by root 14 also correct. Yes or no? Root 6 by root 14 also correct. Purida? Any doubt? Next question, guys. Guys, you can write as per your wish, no problem, but correct algorithm. Next. Find a vector of magnitude 21 in the direction opposite to AB. Opposite to AB na sir? Minus AB. Opposite to AB na B edana? B edana opposite to? Minus AB. A and B are this. A and B are this. So B a kandipidikan. B na sir? A minus B sir. A minus B na minus 6. Minus check. This is what B. So magnitude of 21 units. So magnitude find out. What is magnitude of 21 units? Tell me. Magnitude of 21 units, sir. Magnitude of 21 means 21 times of what? Find out this. Minus 6i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap divided by magnitude, sir. 36 plus 4 plus 9. Correct? So 21 times of minus 6i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap divided by 7. 7 9 40 root 49, which is 7. 7 1 7 3s. So it is simplify pani. So minus 18 I cap plus 6j cap minus 9k cap. This is the answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Guys, BA, check. Find the vector of magnitude 21 in the direction opposite to the AB. Opposite to AB na? Are AB ipdi irukira? AB opposite na sir? AB opposite na minus AB. You know opposite minus AB na minus AB means what? BA gana. Minus AB vector can write. Are babu, are you getting the point? Opposite you write babu. Opposite. Opposite of AB na BA. Purida. Any doubts? Okay, next. BA found. Position of A minus position of B panna idi. See, a vector of magnitude 21 units, which means 21 into unit vector of this. Unit vector of this is idi. Multiply panna idi word. Any doubts? Okay, yes. Next. This is a good question, guys. Good question. Beautiful question. Beautiful question. Make it fast. Can you all see the board? Yes. Beautiful question. Make it fast. Watch it too. Tell me how to do this. Questions are pretty easy. Yes. Vectors will be like this only now. Next. Solve this. A and B are two non-zero vectors such that A is perpendicular to B is nothing but what? See, this one the perpendicular to A. So dot product of them is to be equal to 0. Correct or not? Upon 2A plus B perpendicular to B means dot product of them will be equal to 0. So you multiply paripare. Eppadi parano. Yes or no? Tell me. Magnitude of just multiply A dot A plus B dot A is equal to 0. So magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B A is equal to 0. Now tell me here 2 times of magnitude of A plus then prove that magnitude of B is equal to this root 2 times of A. Yes or no? Okay, what is B dot A here? B dot A is sir minus magnitude of A square. Please don't spam chat box. B dot A inga podu. Idu potta is 2 times of minus magnitude of A whole square plus sir 2 times of A magnitude square plus enna velu sir enakku B. So magnitude of B square is equal to minus 2 times of magnitude of A square. So magnitude of B na enna sir? Magnitude of B na enna sir? Okay. Root 2 times of A. A dot B is equal to B dot A, correct? Yes. ये whole square करेगा सर ये whole square करेगा ये whole square करेगा இது minus magnitude of A square okay வா அப்போ இது minus 2 இது plus 2 அப்போ இது root 2 இது magnitude of A hence proved any doubts? Okay. Yes. Next. Hello, tell me always. எங்க காம்ப்ளிகேட் கிடையாது பாபு, காம்ப்ளிகேட் கிடையாது பாரு. a dot a plus b dot a, magnitude of a square plus b dot a is equal to 0, கரெக்ட்டா? b dot a is equal to minus a magnitude of a square. இது வந்து இங்க போட்டா minus a magnitude of a square plus b square. அப்போ minus 2 times of a square plus b square. அப்போ b square is equal to what? 2 times of a magnitude square. இது b, hence proved. Next. Okay. This area of the parallelogram given. This homework data B. This homework. Check AB given, DB given. AB given to us. AB given and DB given. DB given. Triangle of addition போடணும். போடுறீங்களா? Tell me. Chintu. Yes. AB line sir. What is AB sir? 2 minus 4 5 sir. 2 minus 4 5. AB na 2 minus 4 5. DB line sir. What is DB? 3 minus 6 2. Okay ba? அப்போ triangle of addition என்ன sir? Triangle of addition என்ன sir? Here DA vector plus AB vector is equal to DB vector. Correct? So DA vector என்ன sir? What is DA vector sir? DB vector minus AB vector by triangle of addition. புரியுதா? Yes or no? So DA vector is equal to what? DB minus AB. DB minus AB. So DB minus AB. So now tell me 3 minus 2 1. 3 minus 2 1 I cap. So minus 2 j cap. 2 minus 3 k cap. Okay. இது வந்துருச்சு சார். இது என்ன சார்? DA வந்துருச்சு. என்னது? 1 minus 2 minus 3. Tell me. இப்போ இதுதான் இது 2 minus 4 5 னா இது 2 minus 4 5 தானா? Opposite sides are equal. இது 2 minus 4 5. இது 2 minus 4 5. அப்போ இது தெரியும் இது தெரியும். So இது என்ன சார்? Dot product of area வேணும்னா area of the parallelogram வேணும்னா magnitude of DA cross DC பண்ணு போதும். You will be getting this answer. You can do this. Okay va? Magnitude of DA cross DC பண்ணனும். Guys, magnitude of adjacent side ஓட cross product. Adjacent side ஓட cross product பாரு. புரியுதா சொல்றது? இந்த சைடோட cross product பண்ண ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். Any doubts? Any doubts people? Okay. Any doubts? இப்படி பண்ணணும். Please do this. Do by your own. Next. Guys, this external division is homework to you all. External division is homework. Do this. This is a very good question, guys. Beautiful question. This was the beautiful question, Prathambi. Beautiful question. Make it fast. How do you do this? Yes. Wait, Babu. Wait. We will be able to finish. We will try to finish. Sir, A and B are two non-zero vectors. Then prove this is equal to this. This is lesser than this. Sir, A cross B is sir. What is A cross B? We know that. Guys, A cross B lesser than or equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Enna ardham? Idoda and the meaning. And what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this that maximum value of, if our meaning and a maximum value of A cross B is equal to, if our meaning and a maximum value of this guy, this. Okay, now tell me, we know that A cross B and sir, what is A cross B? Tell me. magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sin theta, correct? What is the sin theta or maximum value? What is the sin theta or maximum value? We know that maximum value of sin theta is equal to 1. Yes or no, tell me? Did you get the point? Maximum value of sin theta, or you can write like magnitude of sin theta. Yes or no? Magnitude of sin theta. So magnitude of sin theta is what basically? Magnitude of sin theta will be lying from 0 to 1 or not? Magnitude of sin theta will be lying from 0 to 1 or not? Tell me. 0 to 1 or not? Tell me. Okay, அப்போ இந்த பிளேஸ்ல பாரு, இந்த பிளேஸ்ல இது போட்டா என்ன வரும்? இந்த பிளேஸ்ல என்ன வரும்? A magnitude of B, magnitude of sin theta lesser than or equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Check. இதோட மேக்ஸிமம் வேல்யூ என்ன சார்? Check. sin theta ஓட மேக்ஸிமம் வேல்யூ என்ன? magnitude of sin theta maximum value 1. Please check. Okay, -3 ira. Okay, the previous question -3k va, inga -3k da. AD -3k va, AD. DB minus AB. Correct only, 2 minus 5 minus 3 correct only. Please check. Correct only, please check. Okay guys, did you understand this? Did you understand this or not? Tell me. இது புரியுதா? எல்லாருக்கும் இது புரியுதா இல்லையா? Check guys. They have given this da, which means maximum value of this guy is this. Appo we need to prove that this is lesser than or equal to this. So now what I know here, magnitude of A cross B, sir, magnitude of A cross B, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, magnitude of sin theta. Sin theta or maximum value now 1, minimum value is 0. Correct? Magnitude of sin theta or value magnitude of sin theta or maximum is 1. It is 0. புரியுதா? Yes or no? Now இது தெரியலனா see, this is again what A cross B only. This can be written as A cross B. So check. Hence proved. You understand or not? இது 1 நீங்க போட்டா A cross B becomes what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B is na? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B sin theta. This guy becomes this. So this lesser than or equal to this. Okay, sir, இப்போ state the condition under which the quality, the equality holds this. And what is the condition? Condition in a sir. What is the condition? If theta is equal to 90 degrees, A cross B will be equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Is it correct? It is a condition. State under what condition the equality will be holding. Theta is equal to pi by 2 pota, it is equal to 0, sir. Is it, sir? Sorry. இது நான் sin theta போட்டு பாரு, sin theta sin 90 போட்டு பாரு, sin 90 போட்டா sin 91. அப்போ this is equal to this ஆயிடுமா இல்லையா? நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? this is equal to this ஆயிடுமா இல்லையா? பாரு sin 90 னா 1, இது 1. கரெக்ட்டா? yes or no? Any doubts? AD is AD minus DB எங்கடா? Check. பாபு இங்க டயகிராம் பாருடா தம்பி. இங்க பாருடா தம்பி. DA I am writing DA plus DB, AB, dA plus AB is equal to dB. Correct da? எனக்கு dA வேணும். dA na dB minus AB. So dB minus AB na இது. Correct da? Answer will be same, Babu. Check. Answer will be same. Next. Guys, இது புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? You just need to prove this lesser than or equal to this. So magnitude of A cross B வந்து இது. Yes or no? Sin theta oda magnitude of sin theta oda maximum value 1. 1 போட்டா this lesser than or equal to this வரும். It will be holding equality when theta is equal to 90. Under this condition, this will be equal to this. Answer முடிஞ்சு. Yes or no? Yes or no? Chintu, tell me. Password 1808. Why do you want to know where I am from, Ra? Are you going to kidnap me or what? Password 1808. Hey, now why are you asking where am I from? Are you going to kidnap me? Minimum value. Are see sir, minimum value எடுக்க கூடாதா? இதோட மீனிங் என்னன்னா, this lesser than or equal to this means இது தான் maximum value. இது தான் maximum value of this. Okay வா? Next 3 mark question பாரு. 3 mark question. Sir, scalar product of the vector this with the unit vector along the sum of this and C vector is equal to 1. Find the value of this. Scalar product of A with the unit vector along the sum of this and this is equal to 1. Very good question, da. It's a good question. You can solve this. This one is very good question. Ready? Make it fast, quick. Naveen, in the correct format. Purila, Naveen, what is your question? Naveen, I don't understand what you mean. Yes or no? Guys, scalar product of the vector this with the unit vector along sum of these two vectors. Let us say D is equal to B plus C vector da. Okay va? Appo D vector enna sir? B plus C. 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap plus lambda ik cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Yes or no? Tell me. 2 plus lambda I cap, next minus 6j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, wow, this is D vector. So what I need to find out? A vector dot D vector. Okay, with a unit vector. Make it fast. A dot D enna sir? A dot D enna sir? A dot D enna? A dot D. A வந்து 1 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap dot okay, dot product with this unit vector of this. What is unit vector of this? Tell me. 2 plus lambda whole square plus 36 plus 4. Guys, ivaroda unit vector dot product scalar product of the A vector with the unit vector along the sum of this. Sum of this one is sum is one dot product with the unit vector of this. That is what they have given. Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. So unit vector na is equal to 1 given. This is equal to 1 given. Check. This is equal to 1 given. Solve pari pari. So what I am going to get? This is our row. I plus 2 lambda minus plus 2 plus 2 to the 4 divided by this 2 plus lambda whole square plus 40. Okay, the 2 plus lambda plus 10 is equal to squaring on both sides. So 2 plus lambda whole square plus 40. So a plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so tell me here, lambda square plus 3 lambda plus இது வந்துச்சு, quadratic இப்படி வந்துச்சுடா. What is the value of lambda? What is the value of lambda? Correct? Tell me. Vector scalar alona. See, scalar product of the vector this with the unit vector. With the unit vector along the sum of the vectors is nothing but this is the given this. B, let us say D vector is sum of these two vectors. Check. With the unit vector along sum of this and this. I am taking D vector as sum of B and C. Okay. So now இவரோட unit vector I am taking. இவரோட unit vector வந்து இது. இந்த unit vector க்கு இந்த A vector க்கு dot product equal to 1 they have given. Dot product of A vector and D vector is equal to 1 given da. Okay. Dot product of this along the unit vector of D vector. புரியுதா? So A vector dot this is equal to 1. இது simplify பண்ணா இப்படி வருது equation. Okay. Check. Calculation please check the calculation. Please நீங்க calculation check பண்ணனும். Tell me any doubts? Correct பண்ணி பாரு. 2 plus lambda plus 10 is equal to, guys, here yes. Look here, lambda plus 12 is equal to whole square panikla. So then 2 plus lambda whole square plus 40. This will be coming what? Tell me, what value of lambda will be satisfying to this? What will value of lambda? A square plus b square plus 24 lambda plus a square plus b square plus 4 lambda plus 40. Lambda square cancel, sir. So 20 lambda. Correct? Plus 40, correct? Is equal to minus 100. So lambda is equal to minus 5. Lambda value minus 5. These are right answer. Yes. How many have you got this? Yes or no? Yes, Kaushik, I do remember. Last question correct up. Okay, tell me. So lambda value is equal to minus 5. Dot product pananu. Dot product. Keeper of dot product of A with the unit vector of D panna equal to 1. They are given. Equal to panna lambda value minus 5 vandrum. Lambda value minus 5. Correct? Right? Next. So if A plus B plus, guys, you need to do this. Angle between A plus B na. Angle between A plus B na. இப்படி பண்ணனும். Hint. I am giving a hint. Okay. So we take A plus B whole square on both sides. Now do it. This is homework for you. This is homework for you, guys. This is homework. You can do this. Okay. Yes. Next. Idana sir. A and B are two unit vectors inclined each other at an angle theta, then prove that this is equal to this. This is a good question, Ram, again. Very good question. Look, this is a very good question. A and B are two unit vectors with each other at an angle theta, then prove that half of A minus B is equal to sin theta. Tell me, எப்படி சார் prove பண்ணனும்? How do we just start here? Please explain scalar product. The scalar product is not a dot d is equal to 1 a dot d vector or unit vector. D what a unit vector. A dot d vector is equal to 1. D का unit vector எடுக்கணும். Sachin, it wait Sachin. Naveen, I don't understand your question. Look, so a minus b whole square enna saparano? A square plus b square minus 2 times of a dot b. Correct? Are you getting the point out or tell me? Sir, magnitude of a minus b whole square is equal to what is this? 1 plus 1 minus 2 times of a magnitude of b magnitude of b magnitude of a magnitude of b cos theta. Purida? So a minus b whole square is equal to 2 minus 1 cos theta. Correct? Any doubts? Till this, any doubts? See sir, what is the doubts? See sir. Purida? Yes or no? Yes. So 2 common 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta formula na 2 cos square theta by 2. Correct? A minus b whole square is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Sorry, not cos square theta by 2. Okay, half time of a minus b is equal to sin theta by 2. Yes or no, people? Half time of magnitude of a cross b is equal to what? Root sin square theta by 2 will be sin theta by 2. This is the answer. Hence proof. Any doubts? This is purida. Check here. Magnitude of a1 to 1, b1 to 1 minus 2 a dot b na magnitude of a magnitude of b cos theta. 2 minus 2 times of 1 cos theta. So 2 if you take common now 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta formula now 2 sin square theta by 2. So half. This 2 will be shifted this side. So half. Magnitude of a minus b whole square as it is. Sin square theta by 2 as it is. Now I am giving this square to this side. So what happens? Half of magnitude of a minus b is equal to sin theta by 2. Hence proved. Any doubts? Varadra Babu. That is what they have given. Any doubts? Wow. Are Adarshini. It's okay Adarshini. You can watch recording. No problem. Yes. Next part. Guys, this is a beautiful question. Look. During a cricket match, the position of the bowler, wicket keeper, and the leg slip fielder are in a line given by B, W, F. Respectively, calculate the ratio in which the wicket keeper divides the line segment joining the bowler and the leg slip fielder. What they have given, I'll tell you. Look. Okay. So first one the bowler. This one the bowler da. This one the wicket keeper. We need to find out the ratio. Okay. This one the fielder. Okay. F vector. Bowler the B vector. This is W. Wicket keeper. Correct? Purida. Any doubts? Yes or no? Sir, how square root got cancelled? Arey Babu. Tambi, how square root got cancelled? See, even let's say k is to 1 ratio. That is basic Tambi. Koi recording part. Okay, wow. You watch the recording, please. Okay. So tell me here, what is B vector? 2, 8. You write 2 I cap plus 8 J cap. Wicket keeper, na sir? Okay, so what is this wicket keeper? Tell me. Wicket keeper. How do you find out wicket keeper? Internal division formula apply பண்ணலாமா? Internal division apply பண்ணலாமா? Yes or no? Yes or no? Previous question enna doubt? What is the previous question doubt? 1 minus cos theta formula enna sollu? 1 minus cos theta formula enna 2. Ocha here 4. Yes, here 4 will come. Here 4 sin square theta by 2. Yes. Here 4 sin square theta by 2 enna? Yes, I'll write here. Look at the board if you want. Here 4 will come because this is 2. Yes, my bad. 2 sin square theta by 2. Correct? I forgot 2. So 4 sin square theta by 2. Now tell me here. So 1 by 4 magnitude of a minus b whole square is equal to sin square theta by 2. Correct? So tell me squaring on both sides. Taking root on both sides. Taking root. Taking root on both sides. Now 2 is a minus b is equal to sin theta by 2. Now it is correct. Okay, ba. Taking root on both sides. Now correct? Yes. Next. This is the internal division formula you need to apply. Internal division formula apply pananu. Internal division. Make it fast. Tomorrow no chance to see the finals. Finals venana match. Final exam very cool. Final match venana venu. Final match you can watch highlights also. You can watch highlights also if you want. Okay, this is for k times of this. K times of 12i cap plus 8j cap. Okay, plus 1 time of this. 2i cap plus 8j cap. Divided by k plus 1. Correct? This is w. Yes or no? W. Tell me, how do I write? Tell me. I cap common, so 12k plus 2 I cap plus 8k plus 8j cap divided by k plus 1. Yes or no? Yes, Sugurdan. That itself we have many questions now. Okay. Check, calculate the ratio in which the wicket keeper divides the line segment. This is the bowler and leg slip fielder. Wicket keeper dividing the bowler and this in k:1 ratio. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me, just equal this. W is equal to what, sir? What is W is equal to? W is equal to what? 6i cap plus 12j cap. Correct? So now this by this. What is I component here? Tell me, what is I component? Tell me. I component is this by this. I component is 12 by 12k plus 2 divided by k plus 1. It is equal to 6. Now tell me, 8k plus 8 divided by k plus 1. Please check the calculation. Is equal to 12. Appo k value vandru now. You find out k value. Ratio will come. Any doubts? 2:3 will come. Yes. Very good. This is 18. Here 18. This is 18 na. This 18 na. 18k. Okay. Purida. This is 18k. So k value will be what, Babu? K value will be 2 will come. Check. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. So k value find out panna. K value find out panna podu. K value will be 2 by 3 will come. K value find out panna. K is equal to 2 by 3 will come. This is the answer. Any doubts? Next question, Paula. There is so many messages in the chat box. Okay, next. Guys, it is simplified panna. K value 2 by 3 will come. Internal division formula I am applying. Why? Wicket keeper dividing bowler and fielder in k:1 ratio I am taking. So k into this vector plus 1 into this vector divided by k plus 1. This is equal to W. Equate this guy with the W vector. You will be getting this way. I component with I component. J component is J component. Equate panna. K value 2 by 3 will come. Okay. So 4 mark question will do. This is really good question. This is case study. Case study. This case study. I want everybody to read this question carefully. अरे कल्याणी मास अरे बाबू check bowler, wicket keeper and leg slip fielder. Read the question properly please. Okay, bowler, wicket keeper and fielder. This wicket keeper dividing bowler and fielder in K-1 ratio. Diagram is correct. This wicket keeper is what dividing? The ratio which wicket keeper divides the line segment this and this. Correct Babu? Please check. Read the question. Okay. Please read the question. What is your name? Who is that fellow? Okay. Yes or no? See sir. Okay. Yes. Make it fast. Make it fast. Okay, yes. Read the question please. 3 friends A, B, C move out from the same location O at the same time in 3 different directions to reach their destinations. They move out on straight paths and decide that A and B after reaching their destinations after reaching the destinations will meet up with a C at pre-decided destination. Following straight paths from A to C and B to C in such a way that OE on the A, OB on the B, OC on the 5A minus 2B da. Okay, based upon the above information, answer the following questions. Complete the given figure to explain their entire movement plan along their corresponding, respective vectors. Tell me. Daniel, please check. Daniel, calculation correct da? Okay, so how do you draw the diagram for this? Tell me the diagram guys. Question number 1 is there. Question number 2 we need to find out this. 3 is 4. Okay, guys, look, I'll draw the diagram here. We need to draw the complete figure to understand that. Okay, how do we draw the complete figure? Tell me. What is the complete figure of this? Guys, look, I'll draw here. Okay, I'll draw in the next slide. No problem. I'll draw in the next slide. Already we have drawn here. No, anyway, see, first one, this is the O point. Okay, so O point na check. What they have given here? We need to. There are 3 friends like this. 3 friends. This one the A. This one the B. Okay, we have a position vector on the B sir. You have a position vector on the A sir. Next one the C. Okay, wow. You have a position vector on the small c. So again, what they have decided, I'll tell you. What they have decided. So after reaching this B guy and A guy, they will be coming back to C again. They will be coming. B guy will be coming to C. A also will be coming to C. This is the diagram. Any doubts? This is the diagram. Any doubts? Any doubts? Purida? Did you get the point? They have given OC vector. OC vector they have given. Check. OC vector they have given. Please check. OC vector Putrikanga pare. Yes or no? Yes. OC is what sir? O 5A minus 2B. OB is B. OA is A. OA is A. OB on the B. OC on the 5A minus 2B da. Okay va. So OA on the 5C minus 2B. Appo. This one the OC on the 5A vector minus 2B vector. Okay va. This is B vector. This is A vector. OA is A vector. OB is B vector. OC on the 5A minus 2B vector. Right? Yes or no? Guys, 15 minutes I will know end of the session. Just 15 to 20 minutes. We will end the session within 15 to 20. ஆமா இஷான் போடணும். ஆரோ மார்க் கண்டிப்பா இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஆரோ மார்க்ஸ் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டா. ஆரோ மார்க் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டா தம்பி. ஆரோ மார்க்ஸ் கண்டிப்பா போடணும். Okay. Next, find the vector AC and BC. அப்போ AC vector என்ன சார்? What is AC? Tell me here. AC vector என்ன சார்? OC vector minus OA vector. How do you find OC என்ன சார்? 5A. 5A minus 2B vector minus OA. OA என்ன சார்? A vector. Okay. Answer என்ன சார்? 4A vector minus 2B vector. This is the answer. Second question answer புடிச்சுடா. AC, sorry, AC. நீங்க BC யும் இப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணனும். OC minus OB கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். கரெக்ட்டா? Yes or no? OC minus OB. OC na என்ன சார்? 5A minus 2B minus OB na என்ன சார்? OB is B vector. So this for simplify பண்ணா 5A cap minus 3B cap. இது புரியுதா பாபு? ஓகே. இது வந்து BC vector சார். இது BC vector. இது வந்து AC vector. This is the second answer. Correct? Second answer புடிச்சா? Any doubts? Sorry, Lohit, you did not understand. What you didn't understand? It's simple to be. Okay, diagram இப்படி இருக்கு. O2A, O2B, O2C. Correct? OA, OB, OC. After reaching A, B, C, B and A, what they have decided? This guy decided to move to C. After reaching B and A, after reaching to their corresponding positions, A and B decided to go to C place. Okay, this A guy and B guy, they decided to go to C place. Suppose this is the direction. This is the complete first question answer. This is second question answer. Third question answer is sir. A dot B is 1. Distance of O to A is 1 kilometer. That O to B on the 2 kilometers. Then find the angle between OA and OB and also find this. OA க்கு OB க்கு angle என்ன? OA க்கு OB க்கு angle என்ன? கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Make it fast. How do you find OA க்கு OB angle? முடியுதா? Yes or no? Yes. I'll do third question here. Third question, look. Third question. OA க்கு OB க்கு angle என்ன? OA OB. OA angle between, so cos theta formula apply பண்ணு. Cos theta na OA dot OB by magnitude of OA to magnitude of B. OA na A vector, the B vector divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Okay, so cos theta, what is A dot B? A dot B on the one sir. Magnitude of A, magnitude of B and sir. Magnitude of A dot B is 1, magnitude of A, magnitude of B and O to A is 1, O to B on the 2. Upon theta on the cos inverse of 1 by 2, which is 1 pi by 3. Theta on the pi by 3. Yes or no? Angle between this guy is what? Answer in a pi by 3 here. Third question answer pi by 3. And also A cross B we need to find out. A cross B எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Yes or no? Yes. A cross B எப்படி சார்? I'm writing A cross B here. Here A cross B now. This A cross B is sir magnitude of A, magnitude of B sin theta. Correct? Magnitude of A வந்து 1. Magnitude of B வந்து 1. Sin theta. Cos theta வந்து 1 by 2. Sin theta என்ன? root 3 by 4. root 3 by 2. Yes or no da? இது A cross B. Okay வா? இது magnitude of A cross B. புரியுதா இல்லையா? Any doubts? Oh, this is 2. This is 2 given. The 2 cancel. So root 3 will be the answer. Root 3 will be the answer. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Magnitude of A is 2. You can't understand Lohit. C Lohit, A dot B வந்து 1 டா. A dot B வந்து 1 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ O2A வந்து A, I mean 1 and O2B வந்து 2. Then find angle between OA OB na in the formula. Okay வா, இது வந்துருச்சா? Next one A cross B with the magnitude. அது என்ன? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B sin theta. கரெக்ட்டா? Magnitude of A வந்து 1, B வந்து 2 given. O2B வந்து O2B வந்து B. இது வந்து 2 given. இது வந்து 1 given. Okay, substitute பண்ணா √3 வந்துருச்சு. Any doubts? Any doubts ra babu? Any doubts in the first question answer? Right ah? Okay, yes, we'll go forward. Next, find the unit vector along, find the unit vector perpendicular to A plus B and A minus B. This is homework da. Third question is homework. Third question la B on the homework. A given, B given. Find a unit vector to A plus B and A minus B. Eppadi pannu? Find a unit vector to A plus B and A minus B. Guys, A plus B add parano. I do here. Third la B. A plus B na enna? A minus B na enna? A plus B na enna sir? A plus B na enna? 2 0 3. 2 0 3. A minus B na enna sir? A minus B na? Idu minus idu. So 2 minus 2 5. 2 minus 2 5. A vector minus B vector paranu. Yes or no? A vector minus B vector paranu. Okay, so he is asking unit vector. Unit vector perpendicular to A cross B and A minus B. Enna? Cross product of these two. Cross product of these two, which means IJK 2 0 3 2 minus 2 5. Guys, let's say this one the C vector da. Okay va? This one the C vector, let's say. Let's say C vector. This is D vector. Okay va? So what I need here? Unit vector perpendicular to this guy and this guy. Enna varum sir? Is equal to what? Is equal to what? You need to do C cross D. Yes or no? C cross D panna, C cross D panna, unit vector perpendicular to C and D will come. Yes or no? Any doubts? Very good, very good, very good. Next. Guys, in the case study you can try panna. It's very easy da. Very easy, very easy. Check. An instructor at the astronomical center shows 3 among the brightest stars in a particular constellation. Assume that the telescope is located at origin. Okay, and the 3 stars have their locations at the point D, A, B, having position vectors this respectively. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Question number 1. How far is the star B from star A? C sir, புரியுதா என்ன பண்றாங்க? ஓகே, கேஸ் ஸ்டடி பார்க்கறேன்டா தம்பி, பாருடா தம்பி. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? புரியுதா? ஓகே ஓகே, see, இது வந்து origin, இது வந்து D, இது வந்து V. Okay, tell me, இது வந்து A. Tell me, yes or no? Shows that the 3 stars have located at the point D, A, V. Correct? D, V, correct or not? Yes or no? Yes sir. Now tell me here, we have a stars like this. This is the diagram given to us. Check. This to this distance, this to this distance, this to this distance. Guys, the telescope is placed over here. Inga what telescope irukku? We have telescope here. Okay, so V and sir, what is V given? So DAV na, V vandu idi sir. So -3 7 11 V. Appo A and sir, what is A? Second one is A, 7 5 8. 7 5 8. அப்போ D என்ன சார்? D என்ன சார்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து 2 3 4 2 3 4. புரியுதா? Now can you do this? How far V is from A? How far V from A? VA என்ன சார்? VA ஓட magnitude find out பண்ணனும். VA ஓட magnitude find out பண்ணனும். நீங்க பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you all do this? VA ஓட magnitude find out பண்ணனும். Oh, from star A, sorry, AB find out. AB. Anyway, same only. Distance will be same. Okay. Next, find the unit vector in the direction of DA. DA direction la unit vector find out பண்ணனும். எப்படி சார்? DA direction la unit vector எப்படி? DA direction la unit vector please. DA direction la unit vector spam பண்ண கூடாதுடா. If you are spamming unnecessarily my mind will go there. Distraction வரும். அப்படி பண்ண கூடாது. Find the unit vector in the direction of DA na check. DA vector by magnitude of DA vector. You see how do you do this? DA na A minus D பண்ணனும். அப்படி DA அவரோட magnitude கிட்ட divide பண்ணனும். Hope you all are getting the point what I am trying to say. You understand or not தம்பி? Okay வா? Yes or no? இது என்ன? Okay. So find angle measure VDA. Find angle measure VDA. VDA இந்த angle கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Let's say the theta. இந்த angle என்ன சார்? இந்த angle. Okay, angle between DV. Third question I'm writing here. Third question I'm writing here. Third question. Cos theta. Angle between these two guys. What is that, sir? DV vector dot DA vector divided by magnitude of DV into magnitude of DA. Correct? இது cos theta. இது பண்ணா இது வரும்டா. Yes or no? நீங்க இது பண்ணணும் please. I want everybody to answer this. I'm giving hints. நீங்க just இது simplify பண்ண ஆன்சர் வரும்டா. Basic. AB vector ஓட magnitude எப்படி find out பண்ணனும்? Unit vector எப்படி find out பண்ணனும்? இது எப்படி find out பண்ணனும்? Very easy டா தம்பி. நீங்க பண்ணனும்டா. Okay. So third one B. The third one A sir. Third one B sir. What is the projection of DV on DA? Projection of DV on DA na DV dot DA by magnitude of DA. அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சு. Projection of DV on DA. இது. Yes or no? Any doubts? Yes or no please? Any doubts please focus here da. Guys உங்களுக்காக தான் இவ்வளவு effort போட்டுக்கடா. We are just putting an effort for you guys. You are spamming in the chat box. எப்படிடா இது? அநியாயம்டா இது. ஓகேவா? ரெடியா? Please focus ra thambi. Already my voice has gone ra thambi. How to place the points? Anik, read the question. Read the question properly and place the points. Anik, read the question properly. Telescoping irukku. You can place like this. Read the question properly and draw the diagram. Yes or no? Next. Okay. So next, sir, 5 mark question, sir. One last question, I'll do it. After that, you can leave. Okay. 5 mark question, we'll try to do it. After that, you can try. Last 10 more minutes. Raja's mind voice. Please try to solve it again. Please watch the recording again. Okay. Guys, here பாரு. Show that very good question, a beautiful question. This is a beautiful question, ra. Okay, va. Show that the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are represented by A, B is given by this. This is fantabulous question. Believe me, we need to prove this. எப்படி சார் ப்ரூவ் பண்றது பாரு, எப்படி ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும் சார்? சார் இது வந்து A சார், இது வந்து parallelogram. ஓகேவா? சோ diagonals என்ன சார்? what are the diagonals? பாரு, இது diagonal சார். These are the diagonals sir. Oh my god, Chinto, yes sir. अरे yes sir, look, yes sir. Now இது என்ன சார்? இது A vector sir, இது வந்து B vector sir. Diagonal they have given sir. Okay guys, let me say what is this? Are you getting the point? Let us say this is the what I mean enna parallelogram, ABCD parallelogram, correct ah? Okay va, fantastic sir. Now if you look at this, let us say AP, let us take AB vector vandu P, position vector. Okay, let us say P, purida, and AD vandu let us take idu vandu AB vandu P da, I am taking P, appo AD vandu you take Q, purida, AD vandu Q. Yes, thank you Siko. Okay, yes, look at the board. AB vandu P, AD vandu Q. Sir, by using triangle of addition eppadi sa paranum? By using triangle of addition paru, from the triangle, what triangle sir? From the triangle, okay, this is also going to be Q now, this is also going to be Q, this is also going to be P now, correct ah? Ipo ipdi pathina paru. So what is AC here? What is AC here? By triangle law, what is AC vector sir? What is AC vector sir? Tell me. P plus Q, AB plus AC dana, AB plus BC, sorry, AB plus BC பண்ணலாமா? Yes sir. அப்போ AC என்ன sir? A vector is equal to P plus Q vector. இது புரியுதா? இது எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? Any doubts? Yes or no? இப்போ BD வேணும்னா இது ஒரு equation sir, equation number 1, very important ah, correct ah? You can't, Lohit, you did not understand Lohit. What? Look at about Lohit, triangle law of addition தெரியுமா? Let's say AB vector வந்து P vector, அப்போ ABP na DC also P, since opposite sides of a parallelogram equal da. Okay, BCQ na AD also Q, correct ah? Correct ah Ilya? Yes or no? Yes sir. For AC they have given it as A vector, BD they have given it as B vector. Okay, by triangle law, see, AC is equal to AB plus AD or not? Are you getting the point or not, Babu? By triangle law of addition, the AC will be equal to AB plus AD or not? Purida Ilya? Yes or no? Yes, DJ kill. BD enna sir? What is BD? Tell me. BD enna? In the BD enna? BD. Check. What is this BD da? And the BD is equal to what sir? BA vector plus AD vector dana. So BA vector ABP sir, BA vector minus B dana. This is Q vector sir. This is BD sir. This is equation number 2 sir. Any doubts? Look at the board. BD vector enna? BA vector plus AD vector. BA vector na enna sir? Minus B, opposite direction. Arey AB vandu P da, BA enna minus B dana, adukkaga minus P. AD enna? Q. Appo equation number 1 plus 2 add panni paru. Equation number 1 and 2 add panni paru. Equation number 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 add panni. 1 and 2 add panna enna sir varum? So BD is equal to Q sir. BD na Q here. This is Q sir. Okay va? So இது வந்து Q கிடையாது, B sir, B na they have given it as B vector. Okay va? B vector. So A plus B is equal to what sir? 2 times of Q vector. So for Q vector enna sir? A vector plus b vector divided by 2 இப்படி பண்ணலாமா? எனக்கு q வந்து இப்படி வந்துருச்சு சார். அப்போ 1 minus 2 பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? 1 minus 2 பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? a minus b வரும் சார். a minus b னா 2 times of p வரும் சார். அப்போ p என்ன சார்? a vector minus b vector divided by 2 சார். இது கரெக்டா சார்? 100% correct sir. Check. Everybody. Jeevan is asking sir உங்களுக்கு brain இருக்கா? எனக்கு brain இல்லடா. எனக்கு brain இல்ல. Yes or no, tell me. Yes. Yes or no? People are not studying straight away, coming and joining here and putting some random messages. If you are not interested, you can leave that, no problem. Nobody is forcing to study now. Why do you have to spam in the chat box? Why do you have to put some unnecessary messages? Okay, right. Okay, q vector, p vector. Any doubt here? Tell me. Any doubt here? Okay, so tell me here. Now, shall we do p cross q? How do you find it? We know that now we got the sides of the parallelogram. Now we got p vector and q vector. Yes or no? We got p vector and q vector. P vector vandiruchu, q vector is also vandiruchu. Pari. P vector came, q vector also came. Correct? So when two vectors given, when two sides given, how do you find out? Parallelogram is equal to what? P cross q. Correct? Yes or no? When two sides of the parallelogram is there, appo area of the parallelogram enna sir? Sides of the parallelogram irukna, appo area of the parallelogram enna? And the sides oda cross product. P cross q pannalama? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes sir. Guys, this is the approach Babu. I am applying triangle law of addition. Look at the board. This is triangle law of addition. This is the approach. Here, from which triangle? Look at the board. You talk about this triangle. AC na? AC means which triangle? ABC. I am talking about from triangle ABC. I am taking this. From triangle ABC in the concept. From which triangle? From triangle ABD in the triangle. Pardon. From triangle ABD. From the triangle ABD. From the triangle ABD idu. Sariya? 1 plus 2 add panna idu. 1 minus 2 add panna idu. Okay, since we know the sides of a parallelogram, we can find out area by cross multiplying this and this. Okay. Ipo paru. Idana sir equation number 3. This is equation number 4, let's say. Okay. P cross Q na sir? P cross Q na? P cross Q na 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, 1 by 4. A plus B cross A minus B. Correct? So 1 by 4. Check. A cross A minus. Okay. A cross A. Next. Are you getting the point already? A cross A. Here A cross A. Just cross product of this plus this. I mean cross product of this cross this. Cross product of A plus B and A minus B. A cross A. A cross minus B. Purida. Minus A cross B. Next. Plus B cross A. Minus B cross B. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me. A cross A is what? 1 by 4. 0 minus A cross B plus B cross A. Plus B cross A. Check. So 1 by 4 as it is. Minus A cross B can be written as what? Did you all understand this? Did you all understand this? Did you all understand this or not? Tell me. 2 times of B cross A, correct? 2 times of B cross A. Is it sir A cross B than it or minus A cross B na B cross A? Correct? 1 by 4. Is it 2 times of A cross B sir or B cross A? Right? Check. 2 cancel. So half of this B cross A workers. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. We need to find out magnitude. So my magnitude we need to find out. Any doubts? Any doubts? Once again you want me to explain. Everybody look at the board. Guys, it is derived from the triangle law of addition. Yes, why else? Any doubt? Tell me. Any doubt? Tell me. Guys, I'll explain. Everybody look at the board. Stop texting in the chat box. Look at the board. Guys, I wanted to write everything in one frame. I'll explain you again. Listen. Sir, first one, everybody should look at the board. They have given the diagonals. They are AC and BD are what? A and B respectively. Please listen to me carefully. Here AB, let us take AB the P vector and AD the Q vector. Now this P na this P irum. This Q na this Q irum. Okay, wow. Fine. Now by triangle law, this is the approach. People are saying enna approach. Approach na this is the approach. This is the approach na solanu. Nee sollu. This is the approach. Go AC na enna. From this triangle, from triangle ABC, everybody should look at the board. From this yellow color triangle, everybody look at the board. From this yellow color triangle, from yellow color triangle, yellow color ABC, AC is equal to AB plus BC or not, triangle of addition. Appo AC na P, AC na A given. AC na A vector is equal to AB na P vector, BC na Q vector. This is equation number 1. Next, ipo triangle BABD. Next triangle paru. Next triangle sir. In the triangle, blue color triangle paru. In the blue color triangle paru. Everybody should look at this blue color triangle. Everybody in the blue color triangle paru. In the blue color triangle, you can say brown or not brown, ash color. Anyway, gray color. In the gray color triangle paru. This ABD triangle BD is equal to BD. The BD is equal to BA plus AD or not? Tell me. BD is equal to BA plus. From this place to this place, first BA ponu, adukapram AD ponu. So BA plus AD. Appo AB is P sir. Appo BA enna sir minus P. Appo AD is already Q. Rendu add panna minus P plus Q. This first number equation, second number equation. So first plus 2. 1 and 2 add panna, A plus B is equal to 2Q. Now Q vector is A plus B by 2. This is equation number 3. Now equation number 1 minus 2 panna, A minus B is equal to 2P. Appo P is equal to what? A minus B by 2. Correct? Sir, now P theriyum sir. Enakku P vandirchi. Q also I got. Enakku PQ. PQ are what? Adjacent sides of a parallelogram. When adjacent sides of a parallelogram given area find out பண்றதுக்கு cross product of those two adjacent sides எடுக்கணும். புரியுதா? Yes or no? Magnitude. இது magnitude. I'm taking magnitude. Yes or no? So ultimately magnitude is coming in the last. Magnitude of A cross B கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். P cross Q. Two adjacent side ஓட magnitude with cross product. Cross product na P cross Q na. See 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. A cross B, A plus B cross A cross B with the magnitude. Correct? Okay, wow. With the magnitude. Okay. This is magnitude, Babu. This is magnitude. I wrote. This is magnitude only. Okay, wow. You understand, guys? This is magnitude all the way. This is magnitude. Magnitude. Okay, ma? Any doubt? Tell me. You understand? Now tell me. A cross A 0. A cross minus B. A cross minus B na minus A. Are you getting the point? Plus B cross A minus B cross B. This is 0 item, sir. This is 0 items. A cross A will be 0, sir. B cross B will be 0, sir. minus A cross B plus B cross A. Minus A cross B can be written as B cross A, reverse. Minus A cross B is equal to B cross A, correct? Yes or no? Now B cross A is here, 2 times of B cross A, 2 times 2 2's, so half of B cross A, hence proved, that is the answer. Yes or no? Any doubts now, Babu? புரியுதா? இது புரியுதா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? இப்படி தான் சால்வ் பண்ணணும். அப்ரோச் என்னன்னா ட்ரையாங்கிள் ஆஃப் அப்ரோச். ஓகேவா? எஸ் சார். ரைட்? ஓகே பீப்புள்? Okay people, so yes, this is what the vectors is all about. We try to cover as much as we can. We try to cover everything is possible for us. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet up with the 3D geometry, okay, as well as important questions. Tomorrow we will try to meet up with 3D geometry as well as important questions. We will try to see that. Okay, wow. Okay people, so we'll meet you in the next class. Until then, have a nice day. Tada, bye bye. See you in the next session. Okay, so as well as I forgot to tell you, no tata tata, no bye bye. Wait, look. So you all have to subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, wow. And also I will be uploading these notes in the description. Please download it from that. We will be uploading the notes after 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Okay, wow. Immediately, if we may not upload, but we definitely will upload after 30 to 40 minutes. We can download the notes from that. So மறக்காம உங்க friends க்கு share பண்ணுங்க, சரியா? So நாளைக்கு 3D பாத்துக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? Any doubts? Any doubts? ஓகேவா? Guys, when you keep messaging that many, I am unable to read the messages because charts are flowing up. Sometimes when you read the charts, so distraction will come. Sariya? So spamming, lot of people are spamming. Anyway, all the best to you all. Please do solve the questions. Spamming now, they are putting some random messages. எதுமே பண்ண முடியாது. Anyway, thank you everyone for your patience listening. Okay, so really enjoy teaching you all. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.